Can Industry 4.0 be used to gain a competitive advantage in practice? How can this contribute to a better time to customer and improve your cost structure even with a maximum batch size of 1? At the new 1,200 square meters Rittal Innovation Center in Haiger, we provide you, as a user, with a practical step-by-step demonstration of how we can optimize your value-added chain from end to end.
Rittal, 𝐈𝐧𝐿 and 𝐳𝐵 represent here the consistent implementation of Industry 4.0 concepts in switchgear and control manufacturing. The Rittal Innovation Center is a training and innovation center for customers and colleagues. Control in switchgear manufacturing, for example, this switchgear for a machine will be produced. Enjoy the journey through the digital process chain. Start with engineering through the production up to the final product. The virtual prototype is the link between all process steps and will be created with engineering solutions from Rittal, 𝐈𝐧𝐿 and 𝐳𝐵. The electrical planning starts with the functional engineering with 𝐈𝐴 Electric P8. Result is the circuit diagram and bill of materials. Next step is the 3D mounting layout and wiring with 𝐈𝐴 Pro panel. The Rittal system configuration supports the enclosure configuration. Database for these engineering solutions is the 𝐈𝐴 data portal, the web-based product catalog. Result of the engineering process is the complete digital described switchgear. With integrated ERP PDM interfaces, the result can be transferred to commercial and technical process steps. The manufacturing process starts with incoming goods and order picking. Here we support with data from the virtual prototype and also with handling tools for stocking and moving. We provide with further handling tools in next step the pre-assembling and demounting of component, as example the mounting plate. Now the mounting plate will be prepared with drills and holes. This will be done with our machining center Perforex BC. The data come from the virtual prototype created with 𝐈𝐴 Pro panel. The alternative for machining is our 3D laser cutting center, and is specially for stainless steel enclosures. The data comes again from 𝐈𝐴 Pro panel. The cutting of DIN rails and ducts will be done as planned in the virtual prototype. The cutting center optimizes workflow and minimize trash. Cutting, mounting and labeling of terminal strips with our fully automated machine will help to save time and increase your quality. The fully automated assembly of wiring cables can be done as such with a machine from our partner Comex. Instead of fully automated or manual production of wire, we offer semi-automated machines for cutting, stripping and crimping. After preparing the mounting plate with drills and holes, cutting the ducts and rails, preparing the terminal block, all components must be fit on the mounting plate. For this, we offer individually adjustable assembly frames. Now the complete assembled mounting plate will be inserted into the wiring center. According to ePlan data, all steps beginning from assembly the wiring, connecting to the components, up to laying inside the cable trays will be done fully automated. With ePlan Smart Wiring, the worker gets step-by-step instructions for manual wiring. Database is ePlan Pro Panel. Time saving, transparency and traceability are the most important benefits. Now the complete wired mounting plate must be installed back inside the enclosure. For this we use the same handling tool. This allowed us to work very ergonomic. Also for mounting of heavy components like this climatization unit. Now the rest of the components must be installed and be wired, also supported by ePlan Smart Wiring. Finally, the quality control. After a successfully quality check, we have here the one-to-one image of the virtual prototype as the real product. The solutions, engineering, system and automation connected through the virtual prototype are the key facts for an efficient digital workflow. Discover here, inside the Rittal Innovation Center, individual solutions for continuous development of value-added processes. The Freetime Law Group with Rittal, ePlan and 𝐳𝐶𝐬𝐭𝐫𝐢𝐚 is your partner for Industry 4.0.